Let's learn our ABCs. ABC book by Allie Mae. A is for alligator. B is for bees. C is for cat. D is for dinosaur. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for inchworm. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for llama. M is for monkey. N is for numbat. O is for owl. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rat. S is for skunk. T is for tiger. U is for urial. V is for vole. W is for walrus. X is for xerus. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebu. Keep practicing your ABCs.